Purchase your tracks today.
For more vibes on NWA5.com. Kill anything, kill it. I'm chilling with the vibe. Money give me go. I want to be in London. Money give me postcode. We only got one life. Oh, now I believe in YOLO. And I be fight for life. Oh, yeah, so you see the logo.
I feel ba-da-da-da-da.
Standard living, and trying in California. To understand how we dey move, you go need encyclopedia. My body life is a movie. Uncle Judy, I don't feel talk. And then be at a didi, or Gadide. We are big to we are check up. We dey deliver, then we lock up. Let me mention in the drop top. I'll back it for instruction. Give me liquor, give me ginger. There's a few not done if you sing that. Say it's a million on the finger.
Kalimata go Jerry Springer.
Money give me go. I want to be in London. Money give me postcode. We only got one life. I believe in YOLO. And I be trying for life. So you see the logo. Tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride.
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebona DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed, let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin Efanshuku, aka Meta, from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
On the morning drive.
103.5 Ebona DFM.
La la la. Oh, yeah. La 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 la.
In my mind,
In my heart,
I'm singing a song. Dala, look at me now as I travel around. In my heart, I'm singing a song of this world. Like the way my country live. Oh, it's the way I will live my life. Trying to understand this thing called life. I'm a good soldier, trying to the life. Teaching everyone about yourself. Where are you going? What are you running to make a dime for another man? You kiss your queen, teach you how you used to be, to let them know you overstand. Did you pray? Did you bless the brand new day? Did you bless this brand new day?
Confusion.
Did you consult the King of Kings and Lord of Lords this morning before we go? Just beautiful questions that we must ask ourselves this beautiful day, the 5th day of March 2024. Yes, because we are all foot soldiers. You defend where you are fighting from. Are you fighting on behalf of good or are you fighting on behalf of bad? And no matter how tough things get, we must always be positive. If you are a true soldier of the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, Yahweh, be moving on. Yes, that's what it is. Yotago Ebi Noketa is just an audition for where God is taking you to. So you must be positive. Fall into this particular edition of Birthday Splash Nebona the 103.5 FM. Metal. Yes, so pray for I to go down. Yotago ni bela kan na-ekwu ya n'ụtụtụ a mgbe na-egbuchalụ Chukwu okike aba maka tara asị godi papa na-ekwu ya chochoyi mpa chochoyi. Yotago otu a ka o si adị right about now. Yes, it's also the International Day for Disarmament and Non-Proliferation Awareness. We are getting into all of that right about now. Iman Kone said in a bit this splash. Let's get into it. Happy birthday for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Tata. A lot of people now form Mark Zuckerberg. Yotago na Naija nke ikpeazụ a. Some gafe asị na ọkwa ụmụ Elon Musk. Papu kwa Elon Musk before. But some now form ya bụ Mark Zuckerberg bụ Mark Zuckerberg. We na-anya ọfụma on a very good day. A situation whereby na mmadụ pụta ana agwa update your Bible app na phone gị. Ana agwa ya be fe ona wonder. Kedu ihe ya ejiwe update kwa Bible app again? Solomon ọnụkwa na nwaanyị ọzọ kịta afọ. But at the time, when we talk about Bible app now, it's not just basically about the Bible now, because now, yes, it's talking about the Bible, but on with the components, even also the hardware Bible. For example, you have to go update here on your own phone on a very good day. You can just immediately now on your phone or remind you of one verse or the other, or follow the benefits of that particular one. Let's get to the level we need to get to as a people on a very good day. Today, a lot of things, and Basalo market, affiliate marketing, a lot of things, and digital marketing, digital advertising, and I in a born at the 103.5 FM. It was a Makusiade. Oh, to it's a Piawan Japiazo, it was an kind of Gelosiani. Yotago. Yes, you know that this party right here is your party. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Before we get into the celebration, let me tell you that today is the International Day for Disarmament and Non-Proliferation Awareness, seeks to promote better awareness and understanding of disarmament issues among the public, especially young people. Since the founding of the United Nations, the goals of multilateral disarmament and arms limitations have been central to the organization's efforts to maintain destruction. In particular, nuclear weapons continue to be part of primary concerns owing to the destructive power and the threat that they pose to humanity. So, so we acknowledge that with, United Nations. Yes, I want to talk today being the 5th day of March 2024. Network about all of that. Guys, about market, affiliate market, marketing, digital marketing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Akoko Oti Boju. Yes, Okilo Tenor, the splash of joy, the splash of happiness, the splash of gene, bagam, bagam, bagam.